Hello. Since my screen chomp isn't working, I'm going to record a video and I'm going to show you. I just written out the problem for like the 15th time, so we're going to do it like this just in case I don't get this screen chomp to work again. So I wrote out all the data points since it's easier for you to see. I use a Sharpie so that you can see it backwards. So I got the sum of the first round of scores that the participants gave. This is the second round of scores. The sum, and then this is the sum of the difference of scores. And this is the sum of the difference squared. So we got 152 for the sum of difference, and then 1090 for the sum squared. The sum of difference squared. So, our null hypothesis, this would be that there's no pain difference for each trial. The trial that there's no pain difference noted. The degrees of freedom is going to be 28. We're going to use an alpha of 0.05, which gives us a critical region of plus or minus 1.701. So our sum of squares, I took 152, which is the sum of difference, the sum of the difference of scores. I squared it. We divided by n, and we get 796.69. Then we take 1090, which is the sum of the difference squared. And we subtract that from the 796.69, and we get 293.31. That's going to be our sum of squares. And then we go and do the squared variance. So we'll take our answer from the sum of squares and divide it by the degrees of freedom, which is 28. We get 10.48. We go on to do the estimated standard error, which is the square root of s squared divided by n. So we get 1048 that we got up here. We divide it by 29, which is the number of participants. We get the square root of 0.36, which gives us 0.60. Then we can go ahead and calculate t, the mean difference divided by the estimated standard error. We get 8.73. So 8.73 is way past our critical region, so we're going to reject the null hypothesis. And so that there was a pain difference. There was a difference in pain between the two trials. Calculated R, we get 0.73. We reject the null hypothesis. Hopefully this is good enough. Thank you.